Hey, good morning everyone. So today's Friday and we're going to start cleaning this fence, getting it ready to come back on Monday and stain it. So we got this side and that back side. We're about to do this side because it's not replacing it. So we're gonna do this. I did this fence a few years back. Just clean it and a quick sealer. But this time he wants to clean it completely and apply a stain sealer on it. So we're gonna be doing that on Monday. All right. Good morning everyone, happy Wednesday. So we're back over here. The finish already done. Look at that stain, looking good. That is a Harvard gold stain. It's already dry. Looking amazing, look at that. All right, let's go to the other one. Have a great day everyone.